Hello everyone, welcome to Nirja Education. This is class 8 science lesson number 3 synthetic fibers and plastic. In this video we are going to discuss about the synthetic fiber characteristic features and advantages of synthetic fiber. Before seeing this video, go through my previous videos, then only you will get the continuity. At the same time, please subscribe our channel Nirja Education. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Here we are going to discuss about the characteristic features of synthetic fiber. Before that we discuss what is synthetic fiber, what are the different types of synthetic fibers. Here particularly we are going to discuss about synthetic fibers and its characters. Why the synthetic fibers are very comfortable to easy and every people can accept the synthetic fiber based on these characters. There are the 6 characteristic features are there. The first one is strength, the second is elasticity, third one is water absorption, the fourth one is wrinkle resistant, the fifth one is moth resistant, the sixth is inflammable. These are the special characteristic features of synthetic fibers. Now we are going to discuss each and everything in detail. What is mean by strength? As we know that the synthetic fibers are having the peculiar character that is called strength. For example, nylon, polyester, these all are having strength in nature. That is the reason nylon we are using for parachute also, fishing net also. Even the polyester it is used for sail the boat also. So it is the most important property of the synthetic fiber. It is give proper strength. That is the reason it what will happen, any force or anything it is happen, it will not tear like natural fibers. Natural fibers like cotton and wool, due to some force it may be tear, but the synthetic fibers are very strong. That is the reason it will not tear out. Clear? So next property is elasticity. Elasticity means it is the synthetic fibers are highly elastic. It can be stretched to comparatively extent. At the same time it retain the original shape also. That is the main speciality of this synthetic fiber. Next one is water absorption. As we all know that synthetic fibers, they do not absorb water more. That is the reason what will happen, it dries very quickly. Even winter season and rainy season also we can dry, we can get very easily dry up also. So this is the main speciality of this synthetic fiber. That is the third character, water absorption. Next we are going to discuss about that the fourth characteristic feature, that is called the wrinkle resistant. As you know that what is the word meaning of wrinkle, it will not crumple, it will not shrink easily. So maintenance will be very easy. When you are going to wear any cotton or any silk cloth, compulsory we need to iron the cloth. But when we are wearing this synthetic cloth, no need to iron or anything because it will not crumple. So maintenance will be very easy for the synthetic fiber. The next one is moth resistant. Moth resistant, moth means small insects, silverfish or some other small moth. It does not affect the synthetic fibers because it is made up of chemical substances. It is inert to the chemical substances, but moths are affected. It mostly affect the natural fibers like cotton and wool, but the synthetic fibers does not. Synthetic fibers do not affected by this moth. That is the main speciality. Next one is inflammable. Inflammable means it can catch fire very easily. So even it can melt in the fire also. So that is the reason this is the speciality, this is the characteristic of the synthetic fiber. That is the reason while working in kitchen or outdoor fires we should not wear the synthetic cloth because it catch fire easily. These are the different characteristic features of synthetic fiber. I hope you have understood what are the different characteristic features of synthetic fiber. Once again I repeat, strength, elasticity, water absorption, wrinkle resistant, moth resistant and inflammable. These are the 6 different characteristic features of synthetic fiber. Next we are going to discuss about advantage of synthetic fibers. Now we are going to discuss about advantages of synthetic fiber. Previously we discussed what are the different characteristic features of synthetic fibers. Now what are the advantages? Why we are using these synthetic fibers? The first one is they are durable. You know, synthetic fibers are cheap also, at the same time durable. Durable means long lasting. and fastness we discuss, and do not wrinkle easily, so maintenance will be very easy. The second point is strong and they can sustain heavy load also, so they can strong, that is the reason we can lift heavy load substances also, they can carry heavy load also. That is the second special advantages of synthetic fiber. The third one is they are elastic and can be stretched out, so due to elasticity we can stretch in the form, at the same time they can retain their original shape also, I told. Then the fourth one is they are very soft, very soft. When we touch, if we feel it is very soft in nature, so it can be used for preparing cloth also. That is the reason synthetic fibers are mostly used to prepare the cloth material, because of the softness. Next one is they are very cheaper. Compare the natural fibers, these synthetic fibers are very cheap, at the same time we can get a different colors and varieties. That is the main advantages. The sixth one is easy to clean and dry quickly. That is the sixth feature. It is, we can clean very easily also, at the same time it dries quickly. These are the advantages of synthetic fiber. Next we are going to discuss about disadvantages of synthetic fibers. Of course advantages is there, means certain type of disadvantages also is there. Although the synthetic materials are used extensively in all the ways of life, certain disadvantages also is there in the synthetic fiber. The first one is non-biodegradable. The first one is what? Non-biodegradable. What is the meaning of non-biodegradable? You all are learned from that difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable means the substance is decomposed by microorganism. Those substances are called the biodegradable substances. It does not harm to the environment. But non-biodegradable means it does not decompose. Even microorganism react and try to decompose, the substances will not decompose. That kind of substances is called a non-biodegradable substance. So the synthetic fibers are non-biodegradable substance because they do not decompose properly. So they do not decompose, they will retain in soil, or when it is leached out due to rain, when it is leached out, it is gone mixed to the water. So it might be causes different types of pollution. When the synthetic fiber factories, they are releasing the waste material, they are not releasing proper way, so automatically what happen, it mixed to the pond or reservoir of the water, so automatically it cause the harmful effect, that is called water pollution. When it is present on the land, it causes land pollution. That is the disadvantages of this synthetic fiber. That is the first one, non-biodegradable. Second one is uncomfortable to wear during summer season. I told already, they are not absorb water. When we are wearing summer season, we feel so much hot, so that time we will get more amount of sweat. So these synthetic fibers are not able to absorb sweat. Due to that, what happen, we are feeling uncomfortable to wear also. That is the second advantages, uncomfortable during summer. The third one is melt and burn easily. I told already, this one character of the sixth character of the synthetic fiber, they are inflammable. What is that? They can catch the fire very fast. So that is the reason we should not wear the synthetic fibers while cooking in the kitchen or outdoor fires, anything. That is the main one. So this is the main disadvantage. What is that? When we wear, suppose it catch the fire, means it stick on the body, it gives severe burn also. So that is the third disadvantage of synthetic fiber. The fourth one is develop skin problems. Some of the body, this synthetic fibers, because it is made up of chemical substances, it causes some skin diseases like rashes, allergies, that type of things also produce. These are the disadvantages of synthetic fibers. I hope you have understood different characteristic feature, advantages and disadvantage of synthetic fibers. Thank you. Have a nice day.